Thanks for joining me. It's post-election day. A lot of conversation, and our topic today is the market impact with a President Obama re-election. How will that impact your portfolios? That's a big debate going on today. Well, let me say this to you. Regardless of which candidate you were for, whether you were for Mitt Romney or President Obama, please understand that as we go through different administrations, markets react in different ways. And one of the things to understand is, here we are today and the market's down, but there's examples as to why that could be taking place. It could be people who are frustrated their candidate didn't win, so they're selling stocks. It could be from the standpoint that now people are addressing the fiscal cliff that could happen on December 31st. And so therefore they're going on and taking profits because they'll pay less tax this year. Indication our tax rates are going to go up. And it could also be that they're selling out of stocks that they feel like during a President Obama administration for the next 4 years will not do well, but going into stocks later on, they could do well. And keep in mind, Veterans Day is just around the corner. And whenever you have a long weekend, and on Veterans Day, November 12th, the markets are, are going to be a little different because the bond market's closed, and to some it's a holiday. A lot of traders don't want long positions in the portfolio over a long weekend in case something happens in Europe or the Mideast or Asia that could hinder or hamper their portfolio. So don't read a lot into it at this particular point in time. The key is that we now know status quo. And what I mean by status quo, we know with President Obama in the White House for the past 4 years and a Republican House that's, dominated, and then a Senate that's dominated by Democrats, we kind of already know what to expect going forward. Yes, there'll be different debates, there'll be different crises, but we kind of understand the rules. So if you said to me, regardless of which candidate you were for, is there consistency in terms of knowing what the rules are, I think you'll find that to be true. So as an American, as somebody who's very positive on the American economy, there's a lot of great things going on, and regardless of who won our election, that there are opportunities. And as we say here at Five Plan Partners, create your own economy. That's the key. Implement strategies that work for you and are tied to your financial blueprint. I hope this has helped you, given you some confidence as you move forward. And for those of you that aren't having dialogue with your financial advisor, then we want to talk to you. This all came about because of an email I got from somebody watching our vlog, and keep those coming, or give me a phone call because I want to talk about things you're interested in. Thanks again.